The JBL Live Free NC are the latest pair of active noise canceling true wireless earbuds from JBL. So here in this video, we're going to cover the design as well as the specs, and I'll give my opinion on the sound quality as well as all of the other features. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. So starting off with the charging case, as you can see, it's a very compact design. So it's going to be easily portable. You're not going to have any issues fitting it down into a pocket. You got a smooth matte finish all the way around with some JBL branding on the lid. Over on the back is where you have your USB Type-C charging port as well as your Bluetooth pairing button. And the case does support wireless charging, so if that's something that's important to you, these have you covered. Moving on to the earbuds, it's a pretty straightforward design, and they actually remind me a little bit of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, just due to the overall shape along with the ear fin. Also, the ear fin is removable, so you do have the option to wear these with or without it. Although for intense movements like hitting the gym, the ear fin is going to give you the most secure fit. And lastly, you've got some JBL branding right on the touch surface. So the earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.1, and when it comes to battery life, you can expect roughly 7 hours from the earbuds on a single charge, with an additional 14 hours from the charging case for a total of 21 hours. You're also getting quick charge, so just 10 minutes inside of the case will give you roughly 1 hour of listening time. For those of you that like to listen to one earbud at a time, you'll be happy to know that the earbuds support dual connect, which means you can listen to either the left or the right earbud while the other remains inside of the charging case. The earbuds also feature auto pause, which means that your music will automatically pause whenever you remove one of the earbuds from your ear. If you don't like this feature, it can be disabled within the JBL Headphones app. As far as water resistance, the earbuds feature an IPX7 rating, which makes these more than safe for the outdoors as well as the gym. So if you happen to get them wet or if you sweat heavily, these are going to hold up just fine. So as far as the fit, for me, my ears are a little bit on the smaller side. So with that ear fin, it actually caused these to feel a little bit tight. So I actually prefer how they feel without the ear fin. But for those of you with medium to larger size ears, I think you'll be perfectly fine with that ear fin. Not to mention it's going to help these stay in place that much better. Also, keep in mind you're getting those different size silicone ear tips to play around with as well. When it comes to the touch controls, between your playback controls, your active noise cancellation, your ambient mode, your volume controls, and your voice assistant, you will have to go into the JBL Headphones app and decide which functions you would like each earbud to control. So unfortunately, you're not getting all of your controls at one time. Moving on to the sound quality, JBL earbuds are typically pretty impressive, and the Live Free NC are no different. With the JBL Headphones app, you can really fine-tune these earbuds to get the type of sound that you like. The earbuds feature a 6.8mm driver, which gives you a tremendous amount of range all the way from the bass to the highs. So you can dial up the low end to give you some of that deep punchy sub bass, or if you prefer more clarity, you can tweak the mids and highs to give you those crystal clean vocals. Now, one thing I will say is that I wish the JBL Headphones app gave you a longer list of presets to play around with before you have to dive into creating your own. But with a little effort, you can really tailor these to your specific liking. You're also getting some really good max volume, so overall you can really achieve a very robust dynamic sound. For comparison purposes, I wouldn't quite put the sound quality on the level of the JBL Reflect Mini, but honestly it's very close. Sound quality wise, I would consider the Live Free NC kind of like the little brother of the JBL Reflect Mini. Moving on to the active noise cancellation as well as the ambient mode. In typical JBL fashion, they're both relatively effective, but they don't quite compare to the best of the best on the market. With that said, I wouldn't buy these specifically for their ANC and their ambient mode capabilities, but pairing that together with the sound quality does make these a good overall option. Personally, I would say the active noise cancellation is able to cancel out about 60% of your surrounding noises, and the ambient mode does do a solid job of bringing in your surroundings without sounding overly digital. You're also getting access to a few different audio modes within the JBL Headphones app, which is designed to give you the best possible listening experience. So you have the normal mode for the best connectivity, the audio mode for the best sound quality, and the video mode for the best latency settings. Now let's go ahead and do a quick microphone test to give you guys an idea of the call quality. All right, so this is a microphone test of the JBL Live Free NC active noise canceling earbuds. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you use these earbuds for phone calls in a quiet environment. Now let's see how they sound once we add some background noise. All right, so we've got some crowd noise being played on a speaker. So again, this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound, only this time in a more noisy environment. As always, you guys be the judge. So overall, I think these are a great pair of all-around earbuds that check off a lot of boxes that many people are looking for these days. So if you're interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out the affiliate links down in the description. And also, if you found this video to be helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.